Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
VoiceMotions A.I review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called VoiceMotions A.I. So this is the VoiceMotions A.I review, and right now we are not on the sales page. Right now you are looking at a virtual machine, and this is the currency graph. This method is called forex trading. This is what I do personally to make money on autopilot. Apart from that, I make these YouTube manual reviews. So in case you are interested in making a real money, the money which will come into your bank account, which you can withdraw, which you can use for buying or spending, the real money, real world, real money. So if you want to make real money, then watch the video till the end. Watching the video till the end is free. And so let's start the review, because in case you want to make fictitious money, then you could go and buy these kind of software. Okay. Now, do I have a problem with the software? I don't think so. I do not have a problem with the software. But as soon as you say you buy something in 20-30 bucks and you start making money, that's a bullshit thing, okay? So we'll talk about pros and cons and everything. So this is the sales page here. It says over 100 unique voices. It's changing, so I will not read. Amazingly simple AI generates 100% human-like. There's nothing human-like in this, okay? Yes, they are not that robotic, but they are robotic. So it's not human-like. Voices with emotions. Yes, you can choose the voices or the robot in some emotions, such as friendly emotion or maybe sad emotion, maybe professional emotions. Okay, in any language, generate and sell emotion, infuse content, voices, and audiobooks. So yes, you can create audiobooks, and this thing has got the AI thing as well, so you can generate the content. So for example, if you want to record or create an audiobook from the scratch, you can go to their AI feature. From there you can get the content, and then you can convert that content into the voice, and then you can export that audiobook. However, remember, there will be upgrades and OTOs, because they will not allow you the unlimited content generation in OTO in the front end. Okay, so there will always be a catch. So for example, let's say in the front end they might only allow you to generate 300 words content, maybe 400, I don't know. Okay, but if you want more content, let's say 2000 words or more, then you will surely have to pay them more and more and more, because here they're here to make money. Nobody cares about your situation. If you live or die, nobody cares, okay, including me. So let's come back here and let's get done with the sales page. Sales page is super. These are fake proofs, by the way. I can give you in written, these are fake testimonials, fake proofs. Don't believe them. And then we have some chicks here. Of course we do. And then we have the more chicks. Okay, cool, pleasing to eye. Let's get to the bottom of the sales page so that we can proceed towards the demo video. Price $37 only. Okay, and then again, fake testimonials. These are fake faces. These are fake reviews and testimonials. So frequently asked questions. So what is VoiceMotions A.I? Go and read everything here. Is VoiceMotions AI suitable for professional use? Yes. How do I use this thingy? You will watch the demo video anyway. Are there any limitations? Depending on your plan, as I said, that if you want to generate something unlimited, you have to pay them more and more money. How many voices and languages accents? How many voices and languages accents does VoiceMotions AI support? 200. Okay. So go and check out these frequently asked questions. You will probably find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So go below the video, click on the link. It says grab VoiceMotions AI copy here. That link will take you to the sales page. Scroll down and check everything in your own free time. Is there a monthly fee? No. Can I add background music? Yes. Where can I get support? So they should provide you support somewhere. Help desk, support desk. Okay. Right. Let's get to the demo video. So what I will do is I will be leaving the link of this demo video below my YouTube video as well, because the demo video is long. It's like 9 or maybe 10 minutes long demo video. Okay. So you will find this link below the YouTube video. Come down again, click on the link that says watch VoiceMotions AI demo here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this demo video. Watch it in your free time for 10 minutes. I will not explain any of this here, because they have verbally explained how to configure everything, how to select your artist or voice-based software or whatever, okay, and how to create ebooks, stuff like that. So go and watch the demo video, and after that, if you feel like, if you want this, here's, you can see that you can generate some AI content as well. If you don't know what to write in your ebooks or audiobooks, then you can get the content from here generated within the software itself. Okay, so go and check out the demo video. I don't have to say much. Let's talk about some sensical thing here. Will I buy this? Never, because this thing, I mean, I'm a human, I can speak, so I will not buy this. Okay, second thing which you need to know is you cannot use these voices for monetizing your YouTube channel. So let's say that you want to make some YouTube videos and you think that this software, these artists, they will record your YouTube video and you will upload the video and you will get monetized. That's not going to happen. You will need, first of all, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your videos, and those videos needs to be original, which means that if your YouTube video has got a robotic voice or the software generated voice, then YouTube will not approve your channel. Okay, so you can't use it for monetizing a YouTube channel, but yes, you can use them in some other ways. For example, maybe you can make some marketing videos, promotional videos, short videos. You can put them on Instagram and Facebook or TikTok, wherever, and then people can watch those videos. And again, as I said, you can create those ebooks, okay, or audiobooks, sorry. Anyways, let's talk about the OTOs here, I guess. Do we have them? We surely do. So here's the front end. Okay, this is front end, and then we have upgrade 1, and then we have upgrade 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5. 5, that's all we have, I guess. Let's see if we have the pricing here somewhere. So front end is going to cost you $37, but how much will be the OTO 1? Prices are not mentioned here. Maybe, let's see if I can find prices somewhere for you. Doesn't look like. Okay, but you can get the discount here. You can use the coupon code early bird. I think this coupon code will be on the sales page already, so you can use the coupon code early bird and you can get the $3 discount on the commercial front end till midnight, or use this voice bundle 40 to get the $40 discount throughout the launch on the bundle deal. Okay, so when you buy the front end, you will be taken through these sales pages. This is the bundle deal, and you can buy whatever you want to buy, or you can skip. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. Pick and choose. And the minimum you will be spending will be $37. Okay, so again, depends after watching the demo video. Okay, I am not gonna decide this on your behalf. Watch this demo video for 9 minutes. If this makes sense to you, that you might need this software in some of your own projects or of your clients' projects, if you think it's good, go and buy. You will find the link below. But if your end goal, okay, whether you're experienced, whether you're a newbie, whether you're a failure, whether you're a loser, whether you're a successful person, if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, this thing will and not make you any single penny. The software does these things which you will see in the demo video. The job of the software is only to create audios, text to speech. Okay, it's not supposed to make money, and it will not make money, right? So if your end goal is only to make money online, do what everybody else is doing, including me. I'm coming on YouTube making these reviews. If you buy from me, I make money, you don't. If you buy from somebody else, they make money, you don't. Okay, so if your end goal is only to make money online, you have a couple of ways. You can go for this YouTube method. You see this make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, Traffic Jarvis will help you to learn everything what I'm doing on YouTube, how I'm doing it, and you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything, because this Traffic Jarvis can help you to get your YouTube channel monetized as well. But manual work will be required if you decide to come on YouTube. However, if you choose to go with this method, this thing is going to work on autopilot in the back end. So now let's talk about those people who are only here to make money online. So watch the video till the end and have fun. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.